PH Fashion Trends Awarding, and we are your host. I am DJ Sherwin Alberti.
And I am Twinkle Wenceslao, and once again, we are your hosts for today's event. Thank you so much to everyone, to our guest sponsors, models, and our collaborations with our partnerships and our sponsors. And syempre, huwag din naman natin kalimutan ng ating mga founder and loving staff, supportive staff, hard-working staff.
Of course, yes, our Chief Executive Officer, our CEO and President, Sir Miles, and of course, Sir Christopher, and all the staff of PH Fashion Trends. Congratulations to this very successful event. Once again, thank you so much, and thank you for those who are staying right here in the venue until the end of this program.
Once again, a night to remember, Season 2 Awards Night. Thank you, everyone, and good night!
Congratulations, everyone!